Okay. Sir, what is your current job title and tell us about more about it?
Okay, at present, I am a senior high school teacher of Kumadkad National High School and presently teaching Philippine politics and governance, disciplines and ideas in social sciences for humanities strands.
Next question po. What inspired you to pursue this career and how did you get started?
Okay, actually, being an educator is my mother's dream. Hindi ko talaga pinangarap maging teacher. Pero since this is the only opportunity for me to finish my college, grinab ko na din yung opportunity because during my college years, ang napasahan ko talaga sa Bicol University ay education. So, since may scholarship, dahil ako po ay SK chairman during that time, dinaretso ko na po siya and nalab ko na rin naman yung teaching. And one of my inspiration in pursuing my career as teacher and taking up major in social studies is my former teacher in Holy Family Academy na nagkataon, kapangalan ko siya, si Sir Cesar Anthony Fortuno. And naisip ko na ang i-take ko na lang na major is social studies since before, lagi kong naririnig na ang subject na ito is very boring. And nung naging teacher ko si Sir, hindi naman pala siya boring. Sabi ko, dapat dire-diretso na yun na maganda yung feedback ng mga students when it comes to araling panlipunan. And at present, ang tawag na pa dito pang senior high school is social science or social studies.
Next question po. What do you like most about your current job?
Actually, enjoy maging teacher because I really love my students, especially when we are doing different activities like the games, forum, and differentiated activities related to our subjects.
What do you like least about your current job?
Ang pinakamahirap sa pagiging teacher ay yung pag nagka-encounter ka ng mga students na nawawala ng pag-asa na pumasok and paano mo sila mag-convince to continue their studies. Siyempre, mag-home visit ka, i-chat mo sila, and kailangan mo talaga magbigay ng mga suggestions kung paano sila magkaroon ng mas motivation na matapos ang kanilang pag-aaral.
Next question po. How do you feel about the company, culture, or describe the working environment?
Okay, ang Kumadkad National High School, since this is a big school, medyo hindi mo na talaga makakasalamuhan lahat ng mga teachers, pero masaya ang Kumadkad National High School. Ang daming activities, and habang patagal ng patagal, mas gumaganda ang school night.
Yes, sir. Next po. What do you consider to be the key skills and qualities needed to be successful in this career?
Actually, kapag pinili mo maging isang teacher, dapat talaga mayroon kang love sa profession, to your students, sa career mo, magkaroon mas maging passionate, compassionate ka sa work, and dapat talaga yung dedication mo 100% ibigay mo sa trabaho.
Next question po. How have you developed your skills and knowledge in this field throughout your career?
Siyempre, after graduation, nagturo muna ako sa private school, then mas nahasa ako doon. Siyempre, hindi ko kinakalimutan yung mga strategies, techniques in teaching na naituro sa akin ng mga college professors ko sa Bicol University, especially special mention kay Ma'am Rico. Siya talaga isa sa pinakamagaling ko naging professor sa major ko. And then, habang patagal ng patagal, lahat ng mga natutunan ko sa seminars, sa mga trainings na ina-attendan ko, ay ina-apply ko talaga when it comes to my profession para mas maging hasa at mas maging magaling pa ako.
Next question po. Have you faced any significant challenges or setbacks in your career? How did you overcome them? At ano po yung natutunan mo?
After 10 years and service, parang nawawala na yung excitement, pumasok, parang nagpaplano ka na mag-resign ka na kasi parang nawawala na yung passion mo or yung kagustuhan mo na maging teacher. Pero habang nakikita mo na kailangan ka ng mga bata, yun yung naging dahilan para sige, diretso ko na itong pagtuturo hanggang marating ko yung edad kung kailan pwede na ako mag-resign.
Next question po. What do you consider to be your biggest career achievement so far? How did you reach this accomplishment?
Okay. So siguro yung pag-transfer ko from junior high school to senior high school, yun nga lang, from P1 to P2, medyo matagal yung promotion na sa senior high school compared to junior high school. Pero yung satisfaction na nandun ka na sa senior high school and yung pagtuturo is mas easier sa senior high school compare sa junior high school since our students or learners, kung isipin natin is para na silang equivalent sa first year or second year college.
Next question po. How do you stay up to date with new developments and trends in your industry or field?
Okay. So siguro talaga ang kailangan mo as teacher, dapat mas maging updated ka din sa technology para makasabay ka kasi may marami ng magagaling na mga students in using gadgets sa pag-edit, sa paggawa ng mga presentation. So dapat marunong ka nun. And of course, lagi ka lang dapat nagbabasa ng mga bagong balita and kung ano man yung mga changes na nangyari in the society para hindi ka ma-behind at dapat lagi kang advance compare sa mga students mo.
Next question po. Can you describe your long-term career goals and aspiration and how do you see yourself progressing in this field?
So I am now finishing my masteral. So magte-test na lang ako and after finishing my masteral, I am planning to try my career teaching in college. So yung talaga pinaka-goal ko. Then maybe pursue the mag-doctoral. After doctoral, then kung nandun pa rin ako sa as classroom teacher, then okay. Kung nasa supervision na tayo, then go with the flow. Ang importante, nasa part ka pa rin ng education.
Yes. Next question po. How do you stay motivated and engaged in your work over the long term? And what strategies do you use to maintain your enthusiasm and focus?
Actually, as teacher, ang pinaka-importante talaga sa akin is the student. And when it comes to techniques, ang lahat ng mga activities ko or part ng lesson planning ko is more on student-centered learning, wherein most of the time, ang mga students ko talaga ang gumagawa ng mga activities. Then, nandun na lang ako as facilitators and kina-guide ko na lang sila para maging tama yung mga gagawin inside the classroom. Then, after that, pag ayos na yung performance, then of course, need talaga ng isang teacher na i-commend ang mga students para mas ma-boost pa yung kanilang self-confidence at mas galingan pa nila sa mga susunod na activities.
Next question po. How do you define success in your career? Are there any specific accomplishment or milestone that you are working towards?
Kapag nakita ko ang mga former students ko na successful at minsan mas successful pa sa akin, mas mataas yung rango nila as teacher, siguro para sa akin, success na yan as teacher.
Last question po. How do you approach balancing your work life and personal life? And do you have any strategies for maintaining a healthy work-life balance?
Okay, so kailangan talaga yung pag-balance ng time. Like for example, yung oras ng trabaho mo sa school, yung buhay mo talaga sa school lang. After school work, yung buhay mo naman is for your family. Pag weekends, you're enjoying your life with your friends, yung gala time. Dapat talaga mayroon kang timeline kung ano ba yung mga gagawin mo from Monday to Sunday para kahit pa paano, kahit na busy ka as teacher, hindi mo pa rin napapabayaan yung buhay mo, yung sarili mo, yung kaligayahan mo. And para lang sa ganun, mas maging maganda yung takbo ng iyong career and personal life.
Thank you po, sir.
Okay.